I have known Amit pretty much from day one of his joining Tesco HSE. What makes him stand apart is his calm and quiet nature and his cool demeanor. Amit is very friendly in nature. He doesn't come across as somebody very friendly unless you start speaking up to him. He also doesn't show the fact that he is a knowledge powerhouse and he can continue to talk about retail for endless hours. Amit has been traveling on work almost every month of the year. Yet what makes him stand apart from rest of the colleagues is the fact that whenever you get in touch with him, he is always contactable. He is always friendly when you meet him. At the same time, he comes up as somebody who is very, very unassuming. Amit has worked for long years with our businesses and IT across the globe. In the process, he has learnt a lot about our business processes, IT systems, and how everything linked together. Now, in terms of his development, he has always remained the same old Amit which he used to be, although he has a big knowledge within him. In terms of Amit's most endearing quality, I think it would be definitely his friendly smile. In terms of what sets apart Amit from rest of his buddies is his very calm and quiet nature. He comes up as somebody who is very, very knowledgeable, but at the same time, he doesn't show that when it comes to talking to his colleagues. In terms of people looking for qualities within Amit, I think they definitely should look for something which is very calm and quiet nature. They could also look for something which is being very friendly with the colleagues and helpful when it comes to helping them at the time of need. The next thing which comes as part of the leadership quality for Amit is definitely collaboration. He has to work constantly between the IT and the business teams, and he definitely ensures that everything goes as per the plan.